You are going to love the 2021 Seltos. The Kia Seltos is sure to stand out with its appealing front end. Additionally, the Seltos offers a robust number of interior features and a large amount of space for a small SUV. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, remote start, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, fog lights, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, traction control. Escape the mundane and embrace the thrill of a lifetime behind the wheel.
A certified pre-owned Kia is confidence and reliability for the road. With a fantastic warranty, roadside assistance, and an intense quality assurance inspection, you can have total peace of mind. Ask your dealer for details about the Kia Certified program.